Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of ChatGPT to bolster your small online business. These steps will guide you in identifying growth opportunities, creating a dynamic marketing plan, optimizing customer communication, generating compelling product descriptions, and even improving efficiency through automation. First off, let's get started by opening ChatGPT. You'll want to head over to chat.openai.com and log in with your credentials. It's always best to start a new chat to ensure you're working with a fresh session, as this helps in maintaining clarity and focus for your upcoming requests. Once you're logged in, ask ChatGPT to help you identify potential growth opportunities. Suppose you own a business selling handmade products online. A simple request like this can go a long way. I run a small online business selling handmade products. Suggest 10 strategies I can use in 2025 to grow my sales, expand my reach, and improve customer engagement. This will prompt ChatGPT to offer a range of innovative strategies tailored to your specific needs and future goals. Next, let's dive into the creation of a marketing plan. Ask ChatGPT something along the lines of, create a 30-day social media marketing plan for my handmade products business. Include daily content ideas, hashtags, posting times, and engagement strategies. This request will provide you with a comprehensive roadmap for boosting your social media presence, designed to engage your audience and expand your reach. Communication with your customers is key, so it's important to streamline how you interact with them. Ask ChatGPT to write 5 professional email templates for my business: a welcome email, a product promotion email, a cart abandonment email, a thank you email, and a customer feedback request. With these templates in hand, you can ensure consistent and professional communication with your customers, enhancing their experience with your brand. Moving on to product descriptions and advertisements, you'll want ChatGPT to create original content that stands out. For instance, write 3 unique and SEO-friendly product descriptions for handmade candles. Then create 2 Facebook ad copies that highlight their benefits and encourage people to buy. With these SEO-friendly descriptions and compelling ad copies, you will improve visibility online and encourage potential customers to make a purchase. Finally, let's talk about efficiency through automation. Request ChatGPT to suggest 10 tasks I can automate in my business using ChatGPT and other AI tools, such as customer support, content creation, and data analysis. Explain how each automation saves time and money. This approach will not only free up valuable time, but also reduce operational costs, allowing you to focus more on what's important, growing your business. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can leverage the capabilities of ChatGPT to drive success in your online business. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.